Hello everyone, this is Kare. In the previous videos, we have already learned a lot of interesting facts. And today I'm going to show you this character introduction freeze effect. Just follow the tutorial and you will be able to do it easily. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we need to prepare a clip with a clear subject. It is best if there's only one person in the image, as it makes it easier for us to do the cutout. Next, we open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to get it for free. We import a video into VideoProc Vlogger. Then, we drag the video onto the timeline track. Move the pointer to find the right spot. Click Split to cut the material. Then, click here to save a screenshot. Next, we go to this website. Drag the screenshot we took into the website. And the website will automatically cut out the image for you. Then, we click here to download it. After that, we import both the screenshot and cutout image into VideoProc Vlogger. Select the second half of the video and click Delete. Then, we place a screenshot after the video. Next, we put a cutout image on the overlay track and align it with the image's position. Then in the inspector, we choose to align by height. Now the freeze effect is taking shape. Next, to highlight the character, we can add a pen effect to separate the character from the background. Import the material into VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to create a new overlay track. Move the new track to this position. And then place the material on the overlay track. This material includes two images. We click Crop to cut out the deleted part. Then, in the inspector, we select Align by Height. We can also adjust the scale, rotation, and position. After the adjustments, we've now finished adding the basic materials we need. Next, we need to add some details. Select this image. Click Color. Choose a black and white knot. And then adjust the other parameters to make the image grayer. And in the inspector, find Enable Image Denoising. Tick it. Enable it. Then, adjust all the parameters to the maximum to make the background look blurry. This helps to better highlight the subject. After that, we select this. Click Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting position. Then restore the display area. Next, add another keyframe at the 3 or 4 second mark. Slightly reduce and rotate the display area. And then change the speed mode to slow down. Finally, add a keyframe at the end position. Then we select this material. Also, we click Motion. And just like before, add 3 keyframes to achieve a slight movement effect. I will quickly operate here. You can adjust according to your preference. If you want to add a text, you can click here to create a new text. Adjust the content, font, size, and position.
Here
Here I want the text to apply some special effects. We move the text to the back. Then, click on the screenshot. Import the picture into VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new overlay track. And then, place the text on it. Move the track to this position. Then in Inspector, select Align by Height and change your blending mode to lighten. Next, we click Effects, find Glitch. Place it in this position and adjust the duration. And then in Inspector, choose to only affect the text screenshot. Next, we create another overlay track. Add a lens flare material as a transition. Find the brightest part of the material and align it with position where the materials intersect. In Inspector, change the blending mode to linear dodge. Lastly, we add a piece of music. Align the rhythm changes with the effects. Let's play and see the final effect. Well, not bad. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more about the other editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!